Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we'll explore the project and task module in Mera work. From the desktop tracker, users can simply select a project, choose the task. This begins tracking time against that specific task and project. This ensures that all work is clearly mapped and organized from the start. Now let's move to the projects section. The Projects tab gives you a centralized view of all your projects. You can view project owners and edit or manage projects. Adding a project is simple. Just enter the project name and assign a manager to get started. Once projects are set, you can create tasks under them. Click Create Task, select the project and enter the task name. In the Allocation tab, you can assign tasks to team members. This ensures clear ownership, better accountability, and smooth execution across teams. For larger teams, you can use bulk upload to assign multiple tasks at once. Simply upload a file and allocate tasks quickly and efficiently. The Task Completion tab lets you track progress. Here, you can view task timelines, compare estimated versus logged hours, and mark tasks as complete. This gives managers full visibility into execution and performance. Mera work? Make work count. Start your free trial today.